Hi everyone, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to my Black Lightning reaction and review show. Okay, so tonight it is mid-season finale. There's been so much going on in this season, and so finally tonight is the night. They're gonna show whatever they got going on, plus maybe a good size cliffhanger that'll take us into January. So I'm really excited about that. So let's just get started, shall we? Okay. All right. Okay. So tonight, y'all, we are watching Black Lightning Season 2, Episode 9, and the title is called The Book of Rebellion, Chapter 2, Gift of the Magi. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Bad news. Get you at your low point, when you're angry, when you're hungry, when you're thirsty. That's how you do it. How are you gonna know what you're getting? Oh. What? Energy? Wow. Oh my goodness. How you gonna know what's gonna be for what, girl? You got your prints all over and everything. Oh, her dad and her sister. So close. Oh, the cutter. Wait. I have to dance first.
New Capital One Saver card. Earn 4% cashback on dining.
Just had to get that in there. I mean, when you hear MJ, you know, and that's one of his classics, you just gotta dance a little. Okay. All right, back to story. Whoa, hey, so Jennifer just uses her powers and just whacks that up as far as the computer, gets all the meds. How? Girlfriend, little girl, she's like getting all this meds. She doesn't know what's what. She's just getting anything to help. But it's like, you know, you could be causing more harm than good. Because you don't know what's going to mix with what. You don't know if there's side effects or whatever. And then she runs into her dad and her sister. Gosh, why does she have to run? They're there to help her. My goodness, she's just going on fear. That's what it is. She just doesn't want to go back home. And it's like they can help, but yet the cutter is following. Which, by the way, I really like. She's really cool as a villain. But okay, so that is happening. He didn't get the grant. But, you know, to see that invitation by Tobias, oh no. I mean, this is what Tobias does. He preys on people who are down and out, who are at their lowest, and he just gets them like that. Showing that he can offer so much more, but yet he just hooks them in and he eats them up. Oh!
Copy that, I'm on it. What?
You hear that? So this guy thinks some kind of power surge shorted out the machine. But what if? Wait, Dad, come here, look up top. Under the scorch mark.
Yeah, it has to be her. She's willing to take this risk.
Khalil must be in pretty bad shape.
Gambi, I think we got something.
What are you going to do? You got no Google app, you got no WebMD. What are you going to use?
Okay.
Yeah, better.
Hopefully this will help.
Help what? What is it?
Let me see. You wouldn't happen to have a secret heroin addiction? Or use some performance-enhancing drugs?
No, but I wish I did. You imagine how fast I would have been?
Yeah, I still would have smoked your ass.
Only because I would have liked the view after you did it.
I was like that. You better be nice, because I'm about to stick you with this. If I can ever figure out how to do it.
When I hacked into the hospital CCTV, I found this. Okay, can you delete this footage? Just keep her out of jail?
Well, the good news is Jennifer isn't hurt.
Yeah, the bad news is now both of my daughters are thieves.
Sometimes you gotta do the wrong thing for the right reasons.
Okay. Did you see this? That means that she was here the same time you were.
All right, well, they couldn't have gone too far then.
With Khalil injured, they probably holed up somewhere nearby. Can you tell which direction she was headed? Well, when she pulled out of here, she was traveling east. Whoa, wait, freeze that right there, in the mirror.
Damn, who is this bitch?
Sorry, Uncle Gambi.
Now that we have a face, I can do some serious digging. Find out exactly who we're dealing with. I'm going.
What?
What the hell are you doing? You're not going anywhere without your suit to protect you. Wait, we don't have time for that. I lost her twice. I'm not losing her again. Not without your suit, Jeff. You know how risky that is.
Dad, come on, that's crazy. Are you insane?
There is a killer on my daughter's tail, hired by Tobias. Which means that she's after Khalil. No, she will kill whoever's in her way. Look, finding Jennifer is our priority, but you flying around without your suit is just plain reckless, Jeff. You risk exposing yourself and your entire family. The only thing I care about in this moment is finding Jennifer. You're not listening. Get off of me. Have you lost your damn mind? I raised you. Get off me.
Wow!
This is going too far, guys. Now, we all want to find Jennifer, but it's not going to happen like this.
I raised you.
I'm sorry, you've lost perspective. Please, don't lose your life. Must be tough. Smart kid like you. Good family. Good private schools. Always getting passed over despite his superior talents. How do you think that is, Ty? That you keep getting passed over?
Get him when he's low.
Because it's the black man's burden to carry the weight of white privilege. Without the benefits of being rich or white, you'll never be better than second best. Unless, of course, you change the game. Here, I saved you the best seat in the house.
You look like a baby. So they're just gonna.
Oh. Now, if these women are to your liking, I can get you others. Or if you prefer men.
No, but thank you. I actually prefer to not be touched, and that would be my preference.
Ladies, you heard the man. Go.
Sorry, I don't do that. I'm not gonna
This is
sit
what they
next
call
to
a good
you.
lifetime. And you better get used
Now.
to it because that old life just doesn't exist anymore.
I don't even know I'm here.
Yes.
Our friend's gonna be dead within the hour. Thought you should know.
I had one request, and that was for him to be brought in alive.
Which was clearly my intent. But when those metas showed up, I went with the poison blades. If it wasn't for his enhanced immune system, he would have been dead hours ago.
Are you a... My terms were very clear. If you want your money, abide by them.
Tobias, come on. Dead is dead. Let's not make things difficult.
Death in someone else's hands is too easy an outcome. I want him alive.
Okay, so one thing to note is I don't sit with nobody. Okay? I'm like watching this club scene. Yeah, it bothers me because it's like, what are you doing? Ladies, what you doing? Be independent. We're strong, independent women. What we doing? Sorry, fellas, but I'm not going to sit next to you and caress you for nothing. What's that? What's that? I'm more about intelligent, stimulating conversation, like what we're having right now. Just saying. Just saying. I'm an independent woman. Just like Neo saying, Miss Independent. All right. Okay. Anyways, just had to get that out of the way. Okay, so Khalil is supposedly dying. I kind of suspected, but it's probably not going to happen because I thought about it last week that, you know, Khalil's going to die, sacrifice himself for Jen. Jen's going to be heartbroken, whatever, go in the deep end. And then she's going to want to get revenge on Tobias for taking her man. I'm just saying. That was my prediction. No. Gotta give it to Gambi. It's Uncle Gambi. You're not just Uncle Gambi anymore. You are Papa Gambi. He is Papa Gambi. He just takes down Jefferson. Jefferson, this big guy, just throws him down and say, you are not going. I raised you. I raised you. Not even like that. He's like, I raised you. I mean, he is throwing his weight. I love it. I love it. Listen to your elders, Jefferson. You listen to your elders.
Cutter, assassin, tracker, world-class martial artist, mercenary for hire. She'll met him. There are rumors. People have had her lined up point blank and they missed.
She's bulletproof?
Bullets never hit her. It's also been said that she can literally throw knives around corners. That says to me low-level telekinetic. Any connection to Tobias? Nothing solid.
She's been tracking Jen since the hospital. She's several hours ahead of us.
These markers signify all of the zone locations within the county, a total of 41.
I've searched every structure 30 miles east of the hospital. Khalil, I'll be right back, okay? I'm just gonna go step outside. I'll be right back. Right back.
We're seeing more of her power.
If there are binoculars, then someone's out there watching us. We learned about charged elements, human voltage, electrical currents, ions, all this electricity in the body. And we can see the binoculars. Then we should also be able to see
the electrical current. Wait, she's leaving Khalil. Well, now she's running for her life. Jen's running for her life. But that's cool. What I like is that she's getting in touch, you know, with her own self. She's looking within, you know, talking to like she looks good is her other side of her brain. She's looking good. So she's learning about the electrical current and the energy that our human bodies have. So that's pretty cool that she could see. What I'm really liking is that we're exploring more with Jennifer as far as what her powers entails and how powerful she truly is. So I am really curious to see how this all evolves. What is up with Lynn? I mean, I know she's on her own hunt, but she's gonna be lifting up other things that's going on with Khalil, and it has nothing to do with what's happening right now. So she's taking that gun with her, but I don't know. I mean, I know she's trying to do something, but it's part of the story. So, okay. So she's going to kidnap Khalil.
Never. Never.
Oh.
What did you do to him?
You can tase me all you want. I'm not telling you nothing.
Oh.
Tell me what you did. He's gonna die.
Bitch, we all gonna die.
What did you do? Tell me.
Ooh.
You are gonna die tonight. Why the hell didn't the medicine work? What does the red tape mean? Well, I'd like to find out. How about I use one of your own poison knives on you? Make you suffer like he has. As smart as you are, you probably have an antidote on you somewhere. Just in case. Let's find out where it is.
Ooh.
It's in my necklace.
In her where? In her necklace.
Oh, yeah. Oh. And this one's for Khalil.
Woo! Damn, Jen!
Hey. I got something hanging there.
Dang, Jen! She is fearless. I love her. She's fearless. She's so fucking fearless. I love it. Whoo, she just straight cut the cutter. And she kicked her with her boots on her face. And she tied her up and she's like just like torture her. Woo! Jen got it in her. Oh my goodness. Because you know what? She's got nothing to lose. I mean, she has everything to lose now that I think about it. She does not want to lose her love. She doesn't want to lose him because I think without him, she's going to do everything she can and she does not care. She doesn't have any, there's no parameters around her. She's just like, I'm going to do whatever I can. She is smart. Wow. Okay.
I'm Lynn Stewart, Jennifer Pierce's mother. Kids are in danger. I was hoping you might be able to help.
He's running from Tobias.
You assume so.
I warned him to stay away from that dude, but he wouldn't listen. Felt like he owed him for his legs.
Do you have any way to get in contact with him?
Just a cell phone. He pretty much keeps me at arm's length. And if you talk to Nichelle, you know she hates me something fierce. I was already doing time when our other boy Keenan started running wild, hanging on the corner the same way that I had.
Is there anybody you can think of, a friend, a cousin, a pastor, a couch you might have crashed on?
Nothing. He got this new place, but I never heard him talk about neighbors or roommates.
I don't know why. I just assumed he was staying with Tobias. Do you know where this new place is? Do you have an address?
I'm sorry, I don't. He definitely wasn't staying with Tobias, though. That I know for sure.
Hey. Hey, it's okay.
Thank you, God.
It looks good.
I thought you were dead.
You know you can't get rid of me that easily.
I love you.
I love you too.
Don't scare me like that, please. Don't leave me out here, okay?
I got you. It's okay.
Oh. did you do?
What exactly happened here?
Yeah, she pissed me off. She's lucky after everything she did, still decides to give her the antidote.
The antidote?
I'll tell you later. Are you good to go?
Yeah.
There's quite a bit of blood over here. I assume it's Khalil's. It looks like someone was held captive here. There's drag marks on the ground. Could be sign of a struggle.
You think it was Jennifer?
With a cutter on their tail. It's hard to think otherwise. We saw a series of electrical pulses. Maybe try the goggles, see if there's any residual traces. Yeah, they were definitely here. This whole area is lit up like a Christmas tree. I don't know.
Poor mom. Oh my gosh, the poor mom.
Why me?
But you're smart.
Why are you doing this? Let's just say I'm a big fan. Well, I'm flattered, but I'm afraid I'm gonna have to decline whatever it is that you're offering. But thank you, for your generosity. If you come work for me, not only would I make you incredibly rich, but you'd have more control and more power than you've ever dreamed of.
Direct deposit.
Look at it.
Direct deposit.
Did you really just deposit 100 grand into my account?
See, I told
If it's a
you.
problem, I can take it back.
Take it
I
back.
need you to know I put a value on your time. No, whatever it is, I'm in.
See? Stop the car.
I think you should go home.
Good.
I'm not going anywhere.
Go home.
Jay, come on. You deserve better than this. Look, just because my life is jacked doesn't mean that yours has to be.
I'm not hearing you right now. I'm the ride or die type. You already know that.
Yeah, and it's the dying part that I'm afraid of.
Well, I'm not. We're in this together.
Hey, keep your eye on the road. Boom.
After everything we've been through.
Oh, my
What are you gonna be
song.
afraid of?
That's my song. That's my song right there.
Shorty, your man for you anytime you need me. For real, bro, this is your world. Believe me, nothing make a man feel better than the world.
Is it meta? Well, what's all this? I don't get it.
It's done. What's next? Well, how much we talking? Freeland, huh?
How many assassins Tobias gonna be contacting? Okay, what kind of mid-season finale ending is that? Huh, that didn't make any sense. The only thing I can think about is Tobias then contacted another assassin in addition to Cutter to get Khalil. I mean, that's what I'm thinking about. So what is Tobias's overall plan now? He's got I forgot his name, but he's got his intelligence, his brain, so he's going to be developing something for Tobias, but we all know that it's going to go bad. And yep, it was the money that grabbed him. Okay, so then that happened, and poor, man, I'm mad at Jen. I'm mad at her, because look what she's doing to her mom. Does she even realize the pain she's caused her mom, her family? Her mom, I mean, I'm a mom. I would go I'd be so heartbroken. How could you do that to your mom, Jen? Come on, go home. Just like Khalil said, go home. You're right. I mean, Khalil's absolutely right. He deserves a better life, but no, she wants to stay with him. Man, I really didn't think that they were going to be on the run for this long. I didn't think it was going to keep going, but it's like both sides are trying to still find them. So do you think next time when we get back in January, they're going to be able to find her? Cutter's now, on the loose, but let me just say, when Khalil woke up and said, wait, what happened here? And Jen's like, yeah, she pissed me off. Yeah, see what happens when you piss off Jen? Oh my goodness. But what is going on, I say? Why do you have to keep running, you two teenagers? And Jen said, I love you to Khalil for the first time. Do you remember the first time you said I love you? Oh, I remember. But, oh man. Anyways, this was a good episode. I'm just a little disappointed of how it ended, and then we have a month. But there wasn't too much action, not so much struggle, and it was really Jen-centric. I mean, but I do like the redemption story as far as with Khalil. I mean, yeah, those two, they got so much chemistry. They do. And I love that song. That's my song. That's my jam. Old school. Yeah. Okay, so you know what? I think that's all I got for this episode of Black Lightning. I really enjoyed this. Tell me what you think about this episode. Where you think it's going? I think it's getting stretched out, guys, with these two runaways. Bring them back. And that's it. Okay, it is shoutouts time. I didn't want to forget my shoutouts because I love you all. Okay, so folks, thank you so much for always giving me comments. I love it. Very encouraging, and I love your support. And also I like the dialogue, so please keep it coming. I appreciate you. Okay, so what up, Slam Jim Longfoot? Hello. Oh, you know what? I want to post your picture. So if you haven't seen it, Slim Jim, he is so cool. He's my boy. He's so cool. Great artist. I enjoy it. And he creates from the heart. I gotta say that. So I'm gonna post a picture. This is what Slim had created. I inspired him when I was wearing my my polar bear onesie. So I want you to check it out. And also check out his channel. It's the GOAT 1408. Just go on his page. Just check it out. He always comments. You comment all the time. So check out his page. But yeah, support him. Support my boy. Okay. All right. Michael Maxey, Amp Dog 2, Daryl Phil, I Phil, Naka, Ichicinco, Path of Ancient, Miss Jack TD. Hello, nice to meet you. Jamaica Girl 123, big ups to you. Dirk Gently. How am I gonna say this? Okay, TKDRE. How do you want me to pronounce you? Tech Dre? And Erica Warwick. Nice to meet you. I had fun with our little conversations. Woman to woman. Got it. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much. Okay, so a couple things. We're going on break. This is officially my last reaction video until January. So soak it up. Soak it up. No, I enjoy doing this. I enjoy talking, chatting. I do. I just enjoy it. Really. You know, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Facebook is like more just posting stuff, but if you follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of memes. As you can tell, I have a sarcastic sense of humor. So I do a lot of memes there and videos or mini vlogs. So, you know, just follow me there and you could just see what I'm up to. It's all good. I don't mind. I don't mind. Just don't get weirdo on me. But I don't mind. All right. All right, everyone. You know what? Have a very blessed Christmas. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Don't get too caught up in the hype of the commercialism because it's not what it's all cracked up to be. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye.